Hello everyone, today we are going to create an adaptive navigation bar using Jetpack Compose. So let's go into build.gradle and add this dependency. Then let's sync the project and go back to the main activity. Here we will create a selected item by using remember savable mutable int state of. Now let's also create the navigation items by creating a simple list of items. Now let's create the navigation suite scaffold. Add the navigation items by saying nav items for each index, because we need the index to create a selected item. And now let's simply create the item by saying icons field dot home, content description null, add the label. Now let's say is selected if the selected item equals the index, and in the on click we say selected item equals index. Now let's run the application and see how it looks. As you can see, it works perfectly, and let's also switch to a tablet to see if everything's okay, and everything is okay. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.